Ma is a question particle that appears at the very end of a sentence, and in fact turns a statement into a yes or no question. You use ma a lot in Chinese. Say it with me. Ma, ma. Okay, so 你知道 means you know, right? Can you guess what this sentence means? 你知道吗? It means, do you know? 很好. If you're having any trouble with today's lessons on questions, or if you want to learn more about content question words such as 为什么, yes or no questions using 吗, or the correct Chinese word order for questions, make sure you check out our Beginner Conversational Course. These are all covered in depth in our paid content. We provide really thorough, easy to understand explanations on all of these topics, as well as giving tons of examples. This stuff is super important to know when you're learning Chinese, and can take some time to really get used to.